may have noticed I didn't upload a vlog last week, mainly because my fault. I, for some reason, forgot to vlog. There's just multiple times where I just forgot to vlog, and when I realized that I finished doing stuff, plus you guys didn't miss much. It was very uneventful. It was prepping for Black Friday week at work, and then it was Black Friday. Nothing too crazy. I didn't buy anything. I did see some things I was interested in, but the promotion was pathetic. So I was like, pass. I'm just gonna wait. So yeah, that happened. And then I was talking to my friend, and he was like, why don't you just rely on your cell phone more to vlog, so that way, even when I don't bring my camera or forget it, I have my cell phone, and since I've been using it regularly, it's more easily for me to just pull it out and use it to vlog. So today, this morning, I vlogged a lot on my phone when I went out, so it was really natural for me to get shots, because I was like, oh, on my phone, perfect. So hopefully this week will be a lot better, but yeah, there's more things going this week. So this morning I had dim sum, and then I went to my storage locker to grab my Christmas tree stuff, because this year I think I will be putting on my Christmas tree. Not think, I will be probably putting on my Christmas tree. I skipped last year because I was just not really in the good mindset, and I wasn't feeling really festive because a lot happened last year. But this year I feel a lot better, and you know, things are different, and I'm more in a festive mood. So maybe tomorrow I might, I don't know if I'll do it tonight. I might set up the tree tonight but not decorate it, and then tomorrow I might buy it. Like, as I said, every year I buy one new ornament or decoration to go on the tree. So I might do that. Tomorrow I do have a lot of stuff to do. I am calling in sick. I do want to use some sick hours. But every time I call in sick, it's not, I don't screw over anybody. I always call in sick on my office days so that nothing is affected. I'm just not there. So that's what I'm do. But yeah, for now, I'm going to vlog more on my phone, so it's more natural for me to pull it out in case I forget this guy. I got the Christmas tree up. Not decorated yet, but it's up. Because I don't think I'm going to decorate it tonight. I think I'll probably do it tomorrow night with my friend. It survived the storage locker. I didn't put up a Christmas tree last year. You know, I don't know if you guys remember, but I didn't do one last year. So yeah. So it survived in the storage locker. It's a little uneven on the bottom, but the top looks luscious. Because it's more bendy in the bottom. I don't know. I'm just gonna, throughout the day, next 2 days, I'm probably just gonna like go around just probably stretching things out as I walk by this tree. As I'm doing it now. But yeah, it's probably gonna go into this corner as it usually does, but I'm probably not gonna do that until I decorate it. So I'm gonna push it out a little bit more, and then I decorate it and push it back. Now, I usually have like a Christmas tree decorating party like I always do, but I wasn't even planning on putting up my Christmas tree this year. But I'm like, you know what? It's been a while. I'm feeling festive, so I'll do it. But I'm not gonna make a party of it. Just gonna do it myself with my friend on video chat. That's how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'm probably gonna decorate today, as I mentioned. I'm gonna probably do it tomorrow or Wednesday. I haven't decided. But yeah, over the next few days, I'm probably just gonna go continuously pull the twigs a little bit and stretch it out.
Like a story, 날 보며 환하게 웃어줘. 내겐 너무나 소중한 그대, 항상 곁에, 내 곁에 머물러줘.
did not vlog much today. I basically last night after I decorated this beautiful tree, I went straight to bed, woke up, rushed to work, and then I'm home now. And I realized, oh, I did not vlog that much every day. I mean today. So in general, you know, I need to start using my phone more. I think if I use my phone more, I think I'll have more footage. But yeah, no star this year because I've always hated the star I got. It's too big, so the tree just starts slumping over. So I'm gonna get something new for the topper. But for now, this is the beautiful tree. If anyone's wondering, I actually don't keep it plugged in when I go to bed. A bit of fear in me stops me from doing that because if I'm sleeping, I don't want to like the lights to, you know, set on fire or something. That's just a very unlikely thing to happen, but it's just me. So I was just downstairs in the lobby waiting for the Uber Eats driver because I was craving sushi, and it's been a long time since I've had sushi. I think it's because I haven't seen Zoe in a while, because usually me and Zoe go for sushi. Anyway, so as I was in the lobby, this mom and her baby and I guess a handyman comes in, and I worked in customer service and retail for a very long time, and the one thing I just don't get is why people like to trauma dump on customer service reps or customer service people or retail workers. Any type of customer service, they always tend to trauma dump on them. I always wonder why that is a thing. Is it because these people don't have someone to talk to, or there's something else? They just feel like you have to listen to me because you work in customer service. I think that could be it too. But I just hate it. And basically this woman was being a little, not hysterical, but she was getting emotional, explaining what was happening in her house. I was hearing the story as I was waiting in the lobby and she's waiting for the elevator. And it's not a big deal. That's why the handyman's here. I can easily fix it. And then I can just hear her trauma dumping how her life is turned upside down and everything, and because of this one incident. And I can hear the handyman talking back to her, reassuring her, yeah, that's why I'm here to fix it. But I can hear the pain in his voice going, oh my god, why are you talking about this stuff to me? I just want to come in here and finish a job, leave me alone. Like, I can sense in the tone of his voice, like, please save me. Like, for me, the most, like, trauma dumping I get is when people try to return things. I don't know what the spiel is. Just give me the receipt, the product. If you have it, perfect, and I'll do it and you leave. I don't know why people have to tell me a story of why they return things. If you have the receipt and the shoe, and it's fine, just give it to me, I'll give you your money back and you leave. They just, before they hand anything over, they have to tell me a story. Like, you fulfill the requirements, you don't have to tell me a story for me to say yes to do return. You have everything there, there's no reason for me to say no. So that to me, I've never understand. It's like, basically, I think it's what it is, as I said, they trauma dump on you because you have to listen. You have to sit there and listen because they're in your store or you're providing them a service. So you typically have to stand there and listen to them. I think that's what it is. And it's just... just let me do my job. I don't care. But to be fair, sometimes if the customer... There are customers where I duly feel bad for. Those people, it's fine. But some people, like, tell me these problems, I'm just looking at them first world problems, man. Like, come on. There's way worse than this. So, we have some really good news. Basically, I got a call today saying that they're gonna come and fix my washing machine's door so that it will lock in place. So then I was like, perfect. And then they said they'll come between 9 and 10. So I moved my shift at work. And then literally 5 minutes after I got off the phone, the people called me back saying, you know what, how about 2 to 3? And I was like, I can't do that because I have work. And they're like, oh, no, we can't come at 8 to 9 because we're actually going to drop off and install a new washing machine. So I don't think they were able to order a part anymore. So instead, they're just going to give me a brand new washing machine or one that's working. I'm guessing the part to fix the door it doesn't get made anymore. So yeah, I'm have to ask my brother to come in tomorrow around 2 or 3 and just hang out here for an hour. And when they come, watch the installation. I'm hoping it doesn't take too long. I'm hoping. But right now, what I can do to make things easier for the people coming and for my brother is to clear some obstacles that might be in their way. So I'm guessing they're gonna have to take the dryer off. Now my question is it gonna be the same model? They didn't give me any detail. Oh, blurry. Okay, as I was saying, so I don't know if they gave me the same exact washing machine, because if they're not replacing my dryers, they would have to be the same size because the dryer goes on top. I hope they really considered that, or is this gonna be a problem? So I imagine, as I was saying, that they'll take the dryer off in order to remove this. So I'm gonna have to take everything off the dryer, and I'll just put it on top of my dinner table for now. Yeah, because I don't have a lot. I also think a lot of things fell behind the wash dryer too, so that's gonna be fun. Guess who finally got a washing machine that works? Well, technically the old one did work, the door just was broken. So I think I explained most of it. It's been 3 months since the door had a problem and they had to order a new part. Been for 3 months now. Finally complained and the guy's like, what's going on? And then they finally decided to send a guy out to fix it. Cancelled that and decided just to give me a new washer instead. 3 months later. But yeah, this is actually a lot bigger than my old one. It's definitely bigger because right now on top of my dryer there's not much space. It used to be a lot more space so I can actually put things on top. Now I don't. So I have to rearrange some things that I used to put in the in this area. I think I can put a lot of my other stuff, but my detergent, my laundry detergent won't fit up here. It's gonna be a problem. But yeah, at least it can fit. Yeah, so this is a very high tech brand spanking new. I was gonna like clean it properly first before I used it, but it's really late already right now, so I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow when I get off work. But ooh, I'm getting old when I get excited for new appliances. There's lots of modes on this, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably just gonna stick to just using regular and normal, because I can still set up this and then set this custom to how I want it anyway. So this is nice. It's presets that I guess. So we'll see. I might use the towel function. But I don't like using hot water. It's kind of a waste. Because I guess it's considered heavy duty. Can I do towels and cold wash together? Oh, I can. No, so it's like that. I can do regular, normal, and then do it cold wash. Oh, okay, so I don't have to touch anything. That's nice. The week has come to an end, and I did a much better job. Following my friend's advice to use my phone when I don't have this guy around because I always forget to bring it, forcing me to use my phone. I did learn some new things about my phone, because ever since I got my flip I didn't really explore the camera functions as much, because especially the video camera aspect, because I have this guy, right? So I learned some new things which made things easier to vlog, and since I've gotten used to vlogging my phone more, I've had more of a ease to, oh crap, I should vlog. I'll pull up my phone, it's easy. So I'm getting into that, which has definitely helped the footage already, which is good. It's been a crazy week. I'm exhausted. I'm working 5 days in a row right now. I'm working tomorrow, so I don't know if the vlog's gonna be on time tomorrow because I'm working tomorrow at around 9 a.m. I'm doing a split because of a meeting, and the main reason I have to do a split is because Taylor Swift. We can't have our meeting at night because we gotta go Taylor Swift, right? So that's why I have to have it in the morning. So I'm doing a split, and then I finish around 7:30, and then I'm working Monday morning, and I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday actually next week. So very interesting. But yeah, I'm actually really tired. It's only like 11 p.m. right now. This is getting late for me. My body is completely adjusted to sleeping early, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna end the week here. I didn't forget to end the vlog, and the vlog isn't as bad as the previous week because I didn't upload last week because it was horrible footage. Anyway, and now I'll see you all next week.